Hi, today I'm for the Nokia C31 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first let's check if our device got the always on display option installed by default. That's why let's in the search enter the always on display. Let's just check it. So let's tap to the switcher. Let's lock our device. So as we can see, this option doesn't work, so we should get the application from the Play Store. And now we should just open the Play Store, and in the search pool let's enter the Muviz Edge app. So now we should get this first application and just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then install it on your device. Now just let's tap to open the app, click to draw our apps, and just tap to Muviz Edge application, click to the switcher and go back to the app. So now we should just tap here to AOD section, select one from this available items, click to apply and just let's lock the device. And we can see now that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.